Hi everyone, James's Car Craze here. Just going to go through the odd interior detail for the Mark 7.5 Ford Fiesta. As you can see in the middle there, I have some non-standard vinyls on the control panel and the air vents there. I'll put a link in the description below to the guy on eBay that provides these. You can get them for the Z-Tech models, or the more techie titanium and the ST models. Obviously this has just got the standard Ford sync system. Obviously if you've got a ST or titanium X, you will have the Sony system. If you do have the Sony system, you see this middle system here, this middle bit here, you won't be able to have that. You'll just have the air vents and these red bits down here. So the vinyl kit comes in many different colours. When you purchase the kit from the guy on eBay, in the link in the description below, just specify what colour. Many different colours. I've got mine in red because it matches the colour of the car, and it really brings out sort of the interior of the car and gives it a nice little USP compared to other Fiestas in the era. So as I said, you get loads of different parts, vinyls for the parts of the car. As I said, you get your two center vent surrounds there. For those who have the non-Sony system, you will get your centerpiece around there. For your air conditioning controls, again, this doesn't have the auto system that you get in the high model Fiesta 7s and 7.5s, but you get the red piece around your air conditioning control and air directional control, 4 pieces around here for your fan speed control and your temperature control. You get a little piece for your glove box door handle. You also get, for your door handle, a nice surround around the edge and a surround in the inside. You also get a nice strip for your door handle and armrest there. Obviously it's the same on the outside, so you've got that there and that down there. So just a quick video, guys, just as something to show you how you can spice up the interior a little bit in your Ford Fiesta Mark 7 or 7.5. As I said, I'll put a link in the description below to the guy on eBay that sells these. You can get them to match the colour of your car. You can get them to match your own personal tastes. Let me know what you think. If you want to share, if you buy these things and you want to share the pictures, I do have a automotive themed Instagram account. I'll put something, my YouTube editing skills aren't the best at the moment, but I'll try and put something on the screen, or just a link in the description below, and check that out. If you want me to post the pictures, I'll post it on Instagram. And or if you've got any vehicle, any nice vehicle, any modded vehicle that you want me to post on there, I can do that as well. Just a quick note before I do end, they are quite fiddly, especially the circle surround there and the air vent surrounds. They are very fiddly. I'd suggest when you get the vinyl, they'll be on an A4 bit of vinyl paper. Do it a bit at a time, so don't peel it all off and then fiddle with flimsy bits of material. Do it half off so you get it nice and aligned. I didn't do that. It was only when someone said after that was the best way to do it. So I mean, if you look very closely, it's not lined up 100%, but you know, who's judging? This isn't going for a concourse event. So yeah, let me know what you think, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, all the blah blah blah, all the YouTube stuff. Lots more videos to come. There'll be videos about certain modifications and accessories I have for this vehicle, also for my Triumph Spitfire for the classic car enthusiasts. And yeah, guys, hope you like. Please subscribe, because the more subscribers that I get, the more than likely that car companies will let me have a look at their cars and review them. They don't normally do that for people with very few subscribers, so if you want to see more content of higher value cars, such as the BMW i4 and the Mustang Mach-E that you have on my channel, click subscribe, share with your friends, and watch this space. Thank you very much for watching, guys. More to come soon.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because more subscribers means more cars.